website. As I told you, you're going to create an account. So just need to create an account by entering your username, enter the country, which is Uganda, enter the phone number, enter the email address, enter the password, and then click in sign in. So I'm going to log in since I already created an account. So I'm going to click and enter my details. So you can see here, you can download their application, as you can see. So you can download the application. Right now I have an account balance of 5,000 on my balance. I'm going to show you how to make money here. So to make money, you need to invest. So as I told you, this is an investment platform. So you earn 10% of what you invest daily. So I'm going to put the amount. For example, in this case here, I'm going to enter my phone number. Then here I enter the amount which I want to put in. So I'm going to put that amount of money. Let me enter this amount of money. So this is risking, so you can invest at your own risk. So if you're a risk taker like me, so you can go ahead and risk your money. So what I'm going to do is to invest this amount of money. So I'm going to click in proceed to payments. So let's wait. As you can see here, the deposit is automatic. So here I'm going to enter the pin code and I click send. Then I click OK. It is automatic, and what I know is that the payment has been processed. You can see in the message the payment has been processed. So if I reload, let me try to reload and go to my dashboard. Let me go to my dashboard. You can see that the payment has been taken, and let's wait for the confirmation message here. So you can see that the deposit has come to my deposit balance. Guys, you can see that the deposit has arrived in my account, and I have started earning money here. So every day I'll be earning 1,500. And as I told you that today I'm going to show you the withdraw. I posted this video last time, so you can see that I have a balance of 1,500. So I can withdraw this immediately to my account. So if I come to the dashboard, you can see my balance has automatically been credited. So I'm going to withdraw my money here. So I'm going to just click in withdraw. So I'm going to enter the amount, which is 6,500. So on my account, this is what is going to reach. So I'm going to click in withdraw to show you that this really works. And if you click in withdraw, you have to wait for some few seconds, and you can see the message has just come. Let me check what is there. So they are saying that cash deposit, and it is from Script Network. This is where I've seen the money. So you can see that the withdrawal are automatic and the deposits are automatic. So this is how you earn money from this platform. I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video. So once you reach the minimum withdraw, I recommend you to withdraw. Don't wait for the money to grow on your balance. Just withdraw immediately, because you never know when it goes. So you can read through everything here step by step. So you can refer to friends and earn from whom you refer. Like here, I have my team here. I'm referring to different people. So once you reach the minimum withdraw, you can withdraw your money immediately. You can download their application here by coming here to download and download their application. You can read through the packages. You earn 10%. As I told you, you earn 10% of what you invest here. So there is no minimum investment. You can invest any money you like. You can reinvest your money once you reach the minimum amount. You can reinvest your money. So that is how you earn from this platform. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching the video.